Today we're installing the universal INNOVA Bluetooth audio remote. Included with the kit is a 3mm Allen key and the Bluetooth remote. To do this, you're going to need an aftermarket steering wheel hub as well as an aftermarket steering wheel. Now let's get started. Before we install our remote, we want to set it up first. First thing we're going to do is pull the temporary battery tab out of the bottom of the remote. You'll see one red light blink at the top. Next, we're going to hook up our Bluetooth. Now you want to hit the microphone button in the center of the remote, and then you'll see blue flashes at the top. The device is ready to connect Bluetooth. Go to your phone setting, Bluetooth. You'll see the multi-key come up. Tap on that. Yes, we want to pair. And now you're connected. Now you're ready to control your speaker through your phone and the remote. Before we install our remote, we want to make sure that the parking brake is engaged and the key is switched to the off position. As you can see on this cart, we already have an aftermarket steering wheel and hub. If you need help installing these, click the link below, but stop after you've installed the hub and come back to this video. If you already have an aftermarket steering wheel and hub on the cart, first thing you want to do is take a 3mm Allen key and remove the 6 screws that hold on the faceplate. Now you want to remove the cover plate as well as the horn button. This is also a good time to check your steering alignment. If you need to make any adjustments, do so before we install the Bluetooth remote. Now we're going to take the outside ring off of the remote by turning the faceplate clockwise. It should turn about 1/4 of an inch and then release from the remote. As you can see, just like on the steering wheel, we have our screw holes, but only 5 this time. The lower half is where our battery's at. So we're going to put our steering wheel back on, line up the faceplate as well, and then reattach using the same hardware. Now that our 5 bolts are in place, we can reinsert our trim ring. You'll notice on the back side there's little tabs. These go on the 3 locations located on the remote. We're going to turn it counterclockwise and lock it into place. You've now finished installing your INNOVA Universal Bluetooth Stereo Controller.